have discussed how to make use of positives and negatives. So today we are going to discuss about how to frame questions in making use of simple present tense. So whatever the auxiliary, whatever the helping verb which we use in the negatives, the same helping verb is used in the question forms also. So making use of do and does. Okay, so do is used with any idea?
Madam. I will you there.
Okay, exactly. With I, we, you and they we make use of do. Then V1 form. Does is used with he, she and it plus V1. Making use of the same structure with do and does, we can also add some WH words before. Whenever we use these WH questions or yes or no questions, then we have to ask questions about our regular activities. So talking about our regular activities and all, at what time do we wake up? సో రోజు ఎన్నింటికి లేస్తారు, లేకపోతే ఆఫీస్కి ఎలా వెళ్తారు, సో పర్ మంత్ మీరు ఎంత ఖర్చు పెడతారు, దెన్ ఎంత సేవ్ చేస్తారు. సో ఇవన్నీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగాలంటే మీకు సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్లోనే యూజ్ చేసి అడగాలి. సో దానికి డూ ఫామ్ అండ్ డస్ ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. అదే కాకుండా WH వర్డ్స్ కూడా మీరు ఉపయోగించవచ్చు. సో వాట్ యూ మీన్ బై WH వర్డ్స్? WH వర్డ్స్ అంటే getting information. Okay, direct questions. We can also call these as direct questions. Okay, so WH word use చేసి అడిగే questions WH questions. So leave about the structure and all. Can you give me some examples for WH questions?
When do you wake up?
Okay, when do you wake up?
When do they release?
Leave about the structure. Okay, so give some examples for WH questions.
What is the time?
What's the time now? Okay.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
What do you like?
What do you like? Right.
How do you? Where are you from?
Where are you from? Good.
What do you do?
What do you do?
How much money do you earn per month?
How much money do you earn per month?
What do you eat?
What do you eat? Okay. So whatever the questions with starting with WH word and whatever it may be, with all the tenses also we get WH questions. So now we are making questions, the combination is WH word, and first we will discuss WH questions and after that we will move to yes or no. First give the combination WH word and also do or does, okay, according to your choice. Then make a question, and in this context usually students get a doubt because in positives we add S or ES form to the V1, but whereas in negatives we don't add S or ES form. Okay, so if you say that one, he wakes up, he doesn't wake up, he doesn't wake up. And even in the question form also we don't add S or ES form, we make use of only V1 here. No, please don't add S or ES form. If you add S or ES form, your structure is wrong. So making use of this structure, can you come up with some examples?
What do you do in free time?
That's good. Okay, so what do you do in free time? అంటే మీరు ఫ్రీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు అంటే మీకు ఓకే సో లీజర్ టైంలో మీరు జనరల్గా ఏం చేస్తారు, దానికి హౌ టు ఆన్సర్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్? హౌ
Read books.
దట్స్ గుడ్. ఓకే, సో ఐ రీడ్ బుక్స్. ఓకే, హరిప్రసాద్ వాట్ డూ యూ డూ?
I listen to music.
ఐ లిసన్ టు మ్యూజిక్. ఓకే, రాము వాట్ డూ యూ డూ ఇన్ ఫ్రీ టైమ్?
I listen to news.
ఐ లిసన్ టు న్యూస్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ డూ యూ డూ ఇన్ ఫ్రీ టైమ్? వాట్ డూ యూ డూ in free time? Okay, so next.
At what time do you go to your office?
Okay, that's good. At what time? At what time do you go? Do you go to office? At what time do you go to office? So now here you see the structure. Close the WH word and see the structure. Do you do? And if you see that one, at what time do you go? So we are making use of do, then plus subject, then after that we are making use of V1 form. Okay, so give some more examples.
When do you wake up?
Yeah. When do you wake up?
What do you
What do you
eat?
What do you eat? Okay. So instead of at what time do you take breakfast is better. Because what do you eat in the sense every day do you eat the same? Do you eat idli every day?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay,
no.
so we eat different. So instead of that, better. Okay, or so like some elderly people and all that one, they have rotis at night. So what do you eat at night? Okay, as South Indians, most of us have rice for lunch. We don't eat rotis. Okay, so we have the habit of eating rice. Okay, so when do you take your breakfast? When do you take your breakfast? So in asking these questions, automatically whenever we make use of you, sometimes you is used for singular and you is also used for plural. If I want to ask only one person, then I can say that one. At what time do you wake up? If I want to ask all of you also, the question is same. Because you is used for singular and plural, it depends on the context. But whenever you make use of a question, you have to consider it as a plural form, and always with do it is you only, but we don't make use of does. సో ఒక్కరిని అడిగినా ఒకరికంటే ఎక్కువ మందిని అడిగినా కూడా మీరు డూనే యూజ్ చేయాలి, కానీ అది సింగులర్గా యూజ్ చేసి ఎప్పుడు యూజువలీ వీ ఆస్క్ లైక్ ఓకే సో వేర్ ఆర్ యూ, ఓకే కాలింగ్ ఏ పర్సన్ అండ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద పర్సన్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్ వన్ ఎక్కడున్నారా అని అడగడానికి వేర్ ఆర్ యూ, ఒక పర్సన్ అడగాలన్నా లేదు మోర్ దెన్ వన్ పర్సన్ అడగాలన్నా కూడా అదే క్వశ్చన్. సో ఆల్వేస్ అందుకే ప్లూరల్ దే యూజ్ చేసి అడగాలి. ఓకే సో కెన్ యూ మేక్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ విత్ డూ అండ్ దే కాంబినేషన్?
Where do they spend their holiday?
Okay. Where do they spend their holidays? Where do they spend their holidays? Okay, so fine.
How long they wait, madam?
How long?
They wait.
Translate the question. అంటే ఏం అడగాలనుకుంటున్నారు తెలుగులో?
అదే మేడం, అదే ఎంతసేపు వెయిట్ చేస్తారు అక్కడ?
రోజు వెయిట్ చేస్తారా? ఇవాళ ఎంతసేపు వెయిట్ చేస్తారా? యూ కెనాట్ ఆస్క్ అబౌట్ టుడే. వాట్ ఆర్ దే ఇన్ ఆర్కేమట్? ఇన్ ఆర్కేమట్. ఓకే సో దెన్ లైక్ యూ కెన్ సే దట్ వన్, వాట్ డూ దే డూ ఆన్ Sundays? Okay, here you can also make use of what do they do is what do her children do on Sundays. Okay, you can also say that one, how do her children go to school? How do her children go to school? అంటే వాళ్ళ her children automatically then we can substitute with they. How do they go to school? Can you come up with some examples with he, she and it?
Ma'am, when do they come to class?
That's good. Okay, so when do they come to class? Okay, when do they come to class? And you can also ask a question if you want to ask your friend. Okay, how do your teachers teach in your college? How do they teach? Okay, so if you want to find out. Okay, so next.
With whom do you go out?
Yeah, that's good. With whom do you go out? With whom do you go out? Okay, so next.
Where do they go in the early morning?
Where do they go early morning, right? So where do they go early morning? They go for a walk in the morning. They go to Indira Park for morning walk. Okay, so next, make use of does.
What does she do? What does?
Okay, what does she do? Other than what does she do? Okay, we can also use that like what does your mother do? What does your mother do in the afternoon? Or what does your mother do in the evening? What does she watch on TV? What does she watch on TV? Okay, so next.
What does she like?
That's right. Okay, so what does she like? So other than what, can you make use of other WH words?
Where does he stay?
That's good. Okay, so where does he stay? Okay, so in the place of he, we can also say that one. Okay, so where does Ravi stay? Where does Ramu stay? So in this way, you can make use of. Okay, so in the place of he, you can change accordingly.
Where does it buy?
Where does it?
Buy.
Where does it buy? What is it?
Pen, for example, pen.
ఎవరు కొంటారు?
So my friend, if my friend,
Okay, so for your, no, 1 second, Ramu. Can we make use of it for your friend? Can we use?
Hariprasad, he has bought one pen, madam.
Okay.
I asked him, where does it buy? Where does?
సో హరిప్రసాద్ ఆల్రెడీ పెన్ను కొనుంటే దెన్ మనం ఏం అడగాలంటే ఎక్కడ కొన్నావు అని అడగాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనము రెగ్యులర్గా మీరు పెన్స్ ఎక్కడ కొంటారు, రెగ్యులర్గా లేకపోతే రెగ్యులర్గా అంటే మనము ఓకే సో ఒకటే షాప్లో లేకపోతే వీ బై క్లోత్స్ ఇన్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ షాప్. ఓకే, మేబీ బిగ్ బజార్, హైదరాబాద్ సెంట్రల్, లేకపోతే చర్మాస్ కానీ ఏదన్నా. సో అప్పుడు దెన్ వే డూ యూ బై క్లోత్స్. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఒక పెన్ గురించి అడిగేటప్పుడు ఇది ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయిన యాక్షన్కి యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు మనం డూ అండ్ డస్ ఏంటంటే మనం రెగ్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్కి యూజ్ చేస్తాము, అయిపోయిన దానికి యూజ్ చేయం కాబట్టి సో అది యూజ్ చేయలేము. ఓకే, సో లైక్ యూ కెన్ సే దట్ వన్, విచ్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ డస్ యువర్ ఫాదర్ రీడ్? వీ హ్యావ్ ద హ్యాబిట్ ఆఫ్ రీడింగ్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ న్యూస్ పేపర్. సో విచ్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ డస్ యువర్ ఫాదర్ రీడ్?
Game does he play on Sundays?
Yeah, which game does he play on Sundays? When does he come? Like so and so, like you can say that when talking about, you have told that when you are working in an office and your friend, that means your colleague, he hasn't come and somebody has come. సో ఆయన గురించి ఎవరో వచ్చారు, మామూలుగా రెగ్యులర్గా ఆయన ఎన్నింటికి వస్తారు అని అడగాలి. సో అడగాలంటే వెన్ డస్ హీ కమ్, రోజు ఎన్నింటికి వస్తారు. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్?
He comes usually 9 o'clock.
యా, హీ యూజువలీ కమ్స్ ఎట్ 9. సో ఇప్పుడు 8 అయింది, హీ యూజువలీ కమ్స్ ఎట్ 9 o'clock. సో ఓకే, సో నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ కమ్ టు నో హౌ టు మేక్ యూస్ ఆఫ్ WH words and making use of do and does. So now you give some examples for yes or no questions. Making use of do and does.
Yeah.
Leave about WH word.
Okay.
Start with do.
Does she go to college regularly?
That's good. Okay, so does she go to college regularly?
Do they come here? Does Ramu understand the class?
So does Ramu understand classes? Okay, do you have doubt on Ramu or do you have doubt on the teacher?
Do they come here?
Do they come here? Okay, do they come here? Next.
Does she like banana?
Does she like bananas? Does she like bananas?
Do you know about this course?
Do you know about this course? Do you know about this course?
Does it correct?
Is it correct? ఎందుకంటే ఓకే, వెరెవర్ వీ మేక్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ డూ అండ్ డస్ ఫార్మ్స్ దెన్ ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ తర్వాత V1 ఈజ్ కంపల్సరీ, మేకింగ్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ వర్బ్ ఫస్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఈజ్ కంపల్సరీ. ఈజ్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్? కరెక్ట్ ఈజ్ అన్ అడ్జెక్టివ్ కాబట్టి సో ఈజ్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్, ఇట్స్ నాట్ డస్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్.
Do we go out?
Do you go out on Sundays?
Do the Archemet teachers teach in Telugu?
Do Archemet teachers teach in Telugu? Okay. Do you read books?
Yes.
Okay, so do you read newspaper? Do you go for jogging every day? Do you go for a walk every day? So talking about. Okay, so do you eat non-veg? Do you help your mother?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In what way? Eating? Or in preparing also?
Preparing.
In preparing also. In preparing food also you help your mother. Okay. So does your father help your mother?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Rarely. Does your father give you pocket money?
Yes.
Regularly. Okay, because he also knows that one. Or do you take money from your father's pocket?
No,
I don't take. I use it to.
You used to take. Okay. Okay. So without your father's permission, you don't take money from his pocket. So instead of that, to avoid it, your father only gives you pocket money. Okay. So then, okay. So all these all these are the questions which we make use of for the regular activities and all. Okay. So does your teacher give you chance to speak in the class?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, she.
She gives.
She gives
Yes, she gives
chance.
chance. Okay. So in this way, okay. So do they concentrate on spoken English? Do the teachers concentrate on spoken English in VIOL?
Yes, they concentrate.
They concentrate.
concentrates.
If you want to talk about your teacher, then teacher concentrates. If you are talking about the teachers in Ramakrishna Math in general, teachers concentrate on spoken English in Ramakrishna Math. Do the teachers conduct seminars for the students?
Yes, teachers conduct the seminars
Yes.
to the teachers.
Okay, yes, teachers conduct seminars for the students. So in this way, so whenever you make use of do and does, then automatically you are starting your answer either with yes or no. Okay, so do you take breakfast before coming to class?
Yes, I take breakfast.
Yes, I take breakfast before coming to class. If the answer is no,
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
no, I don't take breakfast before coming to class. So in this way, so whenever the questions are started with yes, that means do or does, then automatically answers you have to start either with yes or no. Okay, so take down some sentences for the practice. So you need to practice these structures so that, okay, so whenever there is a need and you can make use of this, and you write plenty of examples like what do you do on Sundays, or how do you celebrate a festival, how do you celebrate Diwali, Dashara, or whatever it may be, how do you celebrate a particular festival, the way you celebrate. So in that way if you write, then you will be perfect in the sentences. Okay. Teachers help students the train reaches on time. It works well. My parents call me. She watches movies. For these 5 sentences, okay, you write negative form and question form. Question form is yes or no question.
పేరెంట్స్ ఉంది కదా మేడం, పేరెంట్స్కు పేరెంట్స్ కాల్స్ వస్తుందా కాల్?
Parents, because parents plural form, so we make use of V1 form here. So if you are talking about your mother, then if you say that one, my mother calls me. Parents plural kabatti parents ni plural ante they తో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో అందుకే కాల్ అని అంటున్నాం. అదే ఓకే మై మదర్ కానీ ఫాదర్ కానీ ఉంటే దెన్ ఇక్కడ ఎస్ ఫామ్ కానీ ఎస్ ఫామ్ కానీ యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో ఫర్ దీస్ సెంటెన్సెస్ ఓకే, సో టీచర్స్ హెల్ప్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో టీచర్స్ కూడా ప్లూరల్ కాబట్టి మనం V1 ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేసాము. అదే ఇక్కడ ట్రైన్ సింగులర్ కాబట్టి వీ హ్యావ్ యాడెడ్ V1 ప్లస్ SRES ఫామ్ అనమాట. ఈ 5 సెంటెన్సెస్కి ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ యూ రైట్ ద నెగటివ్ ఫామ్ అండ్ యూ ఆల్సో రైట్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ దిస్. So before whenever you write these sentences, you always keep in mind, so if you have V1, to form is don't plus V1 and the question form is do plus subject plus V1. If you have V1 plus SRES form,
Doesn't.
Doesn't plus V1 is the negative, and does plus subject plus V1 is the question form. So in this way, you can also check, underline the verb. Okay, so don't worry too much about the subject here. You concentrate on the verb and you do these 5 sentences.